Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start chapter number 7 volume in book 5A, page number 137. So first you have to write your name, class and date. Worksheet number 1 is building solid with unit cube. This one cube is called unit cube. So here we have to count the cubes and write the unit cube. Unit cube means one complete unit. How many cubes are there in each solid? So in this shape we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Same as it is, we have to count these cubes and write the answer. Page number 138. What is the volume of each solid? Volume of each solid means we have to find the cubic unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same as it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4 and we have the 4 sides, so 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have to count the volume of the unit cube. This one single cube is 1 unit cube. Same we have to count here. Here we have to draw the front view side and top view side of each solid. Label each drawing. Here you can see this is the front. So the front side is like this. 1, 2, 3. These 3 on the front side. Side view, here we have the side view, and top view, so here we have the top view. Here again we have to draw the front view, side view and top view. Here we have to again draw the front, side and top view. Worksheet number 2, drawing cubes and cuboid. Here we have to draw the same cube and cuboid. Here we have the unit, 1 unit, so we draw the 1 unit line. Here we have 3 units, so we draw 3 units. Then we have to draw the line and draw the same given shape. Here we have to complete the given shapes. Half of the shapes were already drawn, so we have to draw the remaining half shapes to complete the shape of cube and cuboid. Worksheet 3. The following solids are made up of 1 centimeter cube. Each is of 1 centimeter. Find the volume of each solid. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 here and 1 here. 9. Here we have 12 centimeter cube. Now here we have the following shapes are made up of 1 meter cube. Find the volume of each of the following. So here we have to find the volume with the same method, like we have to count the cubes and write the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have 20. Page number 144. The following cubes and cuboids are made up of 1 centimeter cubes. You can see. Fill in the blanks. The length is 5. This is the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The breadth is 1. Here you can see 1. The height is 2. This is the height. Height is 2. So we have length, breadth and height. The formula to find the volume is length, breadth and height. Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Again, as we can see, this is a cuboid. Cuboid is in a square shape. So square is having all the sides equal. So that's why we have same length, breadth and height. When we multiply all the numbers, we get the answer 27. Here we have cuboid. Cuboid is in rectangular shape and the rectangular is having opposite sides. That's why the length and the breadth is 4 and height is 2. This is the height, this is the length and this is the breadth. Volume is 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Again we have the cube. All the sides of the cube are equal. We have a cuboid. Cuboid is in rectangular shape. Opposite sides are equal. 5, 2 and 2. Here we have 1, 2, 3 height, 1, 2 breadth and 5 as in length. Now we have again a cuboid. 4, 2 and 2. Here we have 2, 4 and 4. Now here we have to find the length, breadth and height to solve the volume. So this is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height. 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 is 105. Again we have length, breadth and height. Height is in upward position, like here you can see height straight and height is straight. So we have height, length and breadth. Then we multiply the number and we get the answer centimeter cube. Again we have length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. Length, height and breadth. And then we write the number 6, 20 and 6, 620 and then multiply with 6 again. Here we have to multiply all the 11s so we can get the answer 1331 centimeter cube. Worksheet number 4, volume of liquids. Write the following in cubic centimeter. 70 milliliter. So milliliter will be converted into centimeter cube with the same number. And milliliter again with the same, we just change the unit. The number will remain same in milliliter, centimeter cube and in centimeter to millimeter cube. Here we have 2 liter, 505 milliliter. Now we have to join this. 2 liter is 1 liter is 1000. 2 liter is 2000. 2000 plus 505 is 2505. Here we have 34 liter to 40 centimeter. 9 liter 35 centimeter. We have 100 in centimeters, so here we have 35, that's why we measure 9035. 10,000 10 milliliter. Here we have write the following in liters and milliliters. We have to convert the centimeter into milliliter. The numbers will remain same, but we have, when we convert centimeter into liter, the unit will change. 6,000 will be 6. 3,465 separate. 5,000 liter and 505 milliliter. 6 liter 9,000 milliliter. 3 liter 8 milliliter. Page number 150. Find the volume of liquid in each tank. So here we have length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. We have the height of liquid in the tank. That's why we measure only this side. So we multiply 12, 8 and 6. We get the answer 576. Again we have 10, 10 and 15. And we get the answer 1500. When we convert this 1500 in liter, the first digit is in liter and the remaining 3 digit is in milliliter. Now here we have length. We have to count length, breadth and height. This is the length, breadth and we have to find the height, but we just measuring the liquid, so it means we have to find this side, this height. To find this, the total of the tank is 23 and the empty side is 12. So 23 minus 12 is 11. So we have the liquid is 11 centimeter height. So we use 11. 22 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 11. centimeter cube. Centimeter cube will convert into milliliter, because without milliliter we cannot convert this into volume, liter and milliliter. Here again we have 15, 20, length, breadth and height. Height is complete height with the water, and without the water is 25, the tank height, and the empty side is 7. So 25 minus 7 is 18. It means the liquid in the tank is 18 centimeter. So height is 18. 20 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 18 is 5400 centimeter cube, and when we convert this into millimeter, we just have to change the unit. The numbers will remain same. After changing, we have 5 liter and 400 milliliter. Question number 4. A rectangular tank has a square base of side 25 centimeter and height of 20. Find its capacity in liter. So 25, 25 and 20. Because this base is square, so we have 25 and 25, a rectangular shape. So rectangular is having opposite sides equal. We have length, breadth and height is of 20. So we have 25 and 25, 625 multiplied by 20, 12,500. Then we have to convert this centimeter into milliliter. So we have 12.5, or we have 12 liter and 500 milliliter. Question number 5 is, water is poured into the rectangular tank as shown. How much more water is needed to fill the tank completely? Here we have to find this space. Give your answer in liter and milliliter. So first we have the capacity of the tank, length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. Total height is 30. So we have the total capacity with and without water is 2400 milliliter. Now we have water in the tank. That how many water is already present in the tank. We use length, breadth and height. Now we are measuring the height of water. 20 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 13. So we have 1040 milliliter. Now in the question we have to find the amount needed to fill the remaining. So we have the total space 2400 already filled 1040. So when we subtract these numbers we get 1360 milliliter. Or if we convert this into liter and milliliter, we get 1 liter 360 milliliter. So we have to need 1 liter 360 milliliter of water is needed to fill the tank completely. Question number 6 is, Mrs. Lim bought a 3 liter bottle of cooking oil. She poured the oil into an empty cubic container of edge 12 centimeter. She filled the container completely and some oil was left over in the bottle. How much oil was left in the bottle? Leave your answer in milliliter and liter. So first thing is, she used 3 liter of bottle. 3 liter means 3000 milliliter and 3000 means 3000 centimeter cube. Now as we can see in the question that the container is empty cubic. Cube is in square shape. So it means that if one side is 12, then the remaining sides are also 12. So length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height is 12, 12 and 12. When we multiply all these numbers, we get 1728 centimeter cube. Now we have 3 liters of cooking oil bottle. So 3000 centimeter cube minus 1728. So we get the answer 1272. So it means that how much oil was left in the bottle. So 1 liter 272 milliliter of oil is left in the bottle. Page number 153, question number 7. Tank A and tank B are partially filled with water, means not completely filled, half or maybe not more than half. Bala poured the water from tank A and tank B into a larger empty tank C. Find the volume of water that pour into tank C, that how much water is poured in this tank, and how much more water will be needed to fill the tank C completely. So number A is find the volume of water that was poured. So we have 5, 15, 7 and 6, length, breadth and height. And we have again length, breadth and height. So we multiply these numbers, length, breadth and height of water, not the container, only about the water. And here we have length, breadth and height. So we multiply the numbers, we get 630 and 600. 630 plus 600 is 1230, 1230 centimeter. Then we convert this into milliliter, and after milliliter we convert this into liter and milliliter. Now we have the empty container, length, breadth and height, 15, 10 and 30. So 15, 10 and 30 is 4500. It means the total capacity of tank C is 4500, and we have already filled from tank A and B 1230. So we have to subtract this amount from the total of tank C, and we get the answer 3270 cubic centimeter. Or we have the same amount in milliliter, or we can convert this into liter and milliliter. Question number 8 is, a container was filled with 4 liters of water. All the water from the container was poured into an empty tank. Measure 12 centimeter by 15 by 12. So length, breadth and height. How much more water must be poured into the tank to fill the brim? It means to fill it completely at the top. So 28, 15 and 12, we get the answer 5040. A container was filled with 4 liters of water. So 4 liters means 4000. Now we have to subtract this with this 4000. So we get the answer 1040. It means that how much more water must be poured. So we have to pour 1040 milliliter, 1040 centimeter cube or 1 liter 40 milliliter water to fill the tank completely to the brim. Question number 9. A tank measure 40 centimeter by 20 centimeter by 30 centimeter. Is 3 half filled, third half was filled with water. How much water is there in the tank? So we have to find this third fourth. So we have length, breadth and height. Length, breadth, height. We get the answer 24,000. Now 24,000 milliliter and 24 liter. We simply have to convert this 24 with 3 upon 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. 3 6 are 18. So it means that how much water is there in the tank? There is 18 liter of water in the tank. Review 7. Draw the following cube and cuboid on the isometric grid. Here we have to draw the shapes. Here we have to count the volume, like we have to count these cubes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 1 in the lower side 10. Here we have to find the volume by multiplying length, breadth and height. Here again we have to count the volume by multiplying length, breadth and height. Here we have to convert the units. Milliliter will remain same. Liter will convert. 7 liter 24 milliliter. 3 liter 7 milliliter. Here again we have to convert the units. Here we have a wet problem. 8 similar bottles are completely filled with water. The water from these bottles are used to fill a rectangular tank measuring 25, 20 and 15 length, breadth and height to the brim. What is the capacity of each bottle? So first we multiply the numbers. We get the answer 7500. Now we have 8 bottles. So we divide this 7500 into 8 bottles and we get the answer 937.5. So it means that what is the capacity of each bottle? Each bottle's capacity is 937.5 centimeter cube. Question number 7. A rectangular tank measure 20 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter. The water level is in the tank is 2 centimeter. Find the volume of water in the tank. So first we have multiply length, breadth and height because we are measuring the water in the tank. So we get the answer 600 milliliter. Second is how much more water is required. So we have to count the total. Length, breadth and height, which is 15. So we get 4500. 4500 minus 600 is 3900. It means that how much more water is required to fill the tank completely? 3900 milliliter more water is required, or 3 liter 900 milliliter. Last question of chapter 7. A rectangular tank measure 15 centimeter by 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter was 1/2 filled with water. 4.5 liter of water was later added into the tank. What was the total volume of water in the tank? So we have to multiply length, breadth and height. We get the answer 7500. Then we cross this 7500 with 4. Let's divide this. 7500 divided by 4. So we have 4 ones are 4, remaining 3 and 5. 4 eights are 32. Then we have the remaining 0, 3 and 0. 4 sevens are 28, 2 and 0, 4 fives are 20. So we have 1875, 1 liter 875 milliliter. Now we have 4.5 liter water was later added into the tank. So we add 4.5 liter into 1 liter 875 milliliter. We get the answer 6 liter 375 milliliter.